guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're a subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So in this video, I have a new wig for you guys from Outre from the Perfect Hairline collection. I have with me Miss Geneva, as you can see here, and I have her in DR2 Chocolate Swirl. So I'm excited because I love the chocolate swirl color from Outre. It is so pretty. I did the Color Bomb collection wig that I just recently reviewed was in that same color, and it was gorgeous. If things look a little different on camera, it's because for now I'm gonna be recording on my iPhone XS, and that's basically because I broke my camera. I'm so sad about it. I love my G7X so much. The screen on it like detached when I was trying to screw it on my tripod, and like it detached, so I have to wait till the camera stores open back up before I can get it fixed. So right now I'm gonna be iPhone rolling it for these videos. Luckily these new iPhones record in HD, so I'm here for it. It's not my favorite. I still love the lighting that my G7X be giving me the best, but it'll do. But back to our regularly scheduled program. So this is a 13x6 unit. As you can see here, it goes very far back up in that cap. It can be worn glueless. It has an adjustable band in there, and it is a scratch your scalp cap construction, and it's got the combs, you know, on the sides, in the back, and it still does have adjustable straps in it. They did that with this hairline. That is some pre-pluckage right there. Look at that. Look at that. I'm still gonna pluck the front because you see how, like, this is what I mean when I say it's going just straight across. Like, that whole hairline is just a line there. Like, it's just that line. Hope this, let me back up. There we go. Like, it's just a line across. And your hairline isn't just a line across. Like, look at that. You can see my hairline now. It dips. It comes out a little bit over here. Slight widow's peak. Goes back in. All that. So I like to add at least a little bit of more naturalness to my wigs in that way. It is a light brown lace, and I am already liking the blend on my skin tone. Yes, ma'am. Let's see if they gave us any details on this within the little detail card. So it does say it's HD. Ooh, I didn't know that. It's HD lace. And we said it's a 13x6 and no plucking required, but I'm still going to pluck the front. Got the baby hairs. It did have baby hairs. They got the little long ones, but they're thin. So, you know, you can use them if you want them. Don't have to use them if you don't want to. And it is heat styling friendly, it says, but I don't see, does it give us heat? Yes, up to 400 degrees you can put heat on this one. And then, because some of y'all be complaining, well, really, it was just one person. But I don't know who else felt this way and didn't say nothing. Don't suffer in silence. Let me know. I'm going to try this wig on without me touching it so you can see what it looks like if you did nothing, which I don't recommend. Ooh, I ripped the lace off a little bit. So this is a little bit tight. A lot of bit tight, but I notice a lot of times they're tight until you cut the lace off and then they're a little bit looser. But as of right now, this is a little bit tight, but I will say that my hair is slicked down and it's not the thinnest of hairs on someone's head. So that does affect sometimes the way my cap fits, but I would definitely say this is probably regular to smaller head friendly. As of right now, I'll revisit that once I cut the lace off. And this is what the unit looks like if you were to do nothing to it. Which I think this might be a real, like, cut and go almost unit. I'm really liking how this looks just out the box. I am getting some tangling towards the end of this unit. It is light tangling. It's not crazy. As you can see, I'm running my hands through it so you can see for yourself. Slip this up. Slip this up. So with me adding the slits in here, it did make it a lot easier to fit on my head. It definitely gave me a little bit more room. And I think they made this a little more snug just because it is a glueless kind of unit, so they want it to stick to your head. Oh, you know what? I just forgot to pluck. I completely just forgot to pluck.
I want us to be, oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you wanted to. So come on, stop running. I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one for me. When in Taste and see how good it can be. 'Cause you don't have to worry, baby. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one when you need, when you you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you wanted to, so come on, stop running. I wanna get with you. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one. Taste and see how good it can be. 'Cause you don't have to worry, baby. What your girl don't know won't hurt her. Anything to make this love go further. You're the one when you
Geneva, let's talk about it. So listen, this unit is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this unit. It is so pretty. I really love how the hair just flattened down for me. It's laying super flat on my head. This 13x6 frontal is laying for real. It does have tangling at the ends that you will have to, maneuver throughout the day with your paddle brush. So it's not to the point where it's gonna get on your nerves, but it is there, so you do want to watch for that. As far as like the tangling and everything, I didn't get any other tangling besides when I oh wait, that's what we're talking about. Shedding, that's what I was trying to talk about. The shedding on this unit is pretty non-existent, even with the tangles and stuff that it had. Towards the ends, after a while, like if you don't, bring your hands through it, no brushing it, you're gonna get something out of it. But like just now, this is as much tangling as I've gotten out of the hair, like without me having, because I plucked it. So once I got rid of all that hair, it was shed free for the most part after that. Like I ain't getting, like I've been running my hands through it. Y'all see it. The hair moves and flows great. I love how they added layers in this unit. It reminds me a lot of June from Janet collection, but like a 13x6 upscale version of June. My biggest con with this one is the fact that it don't fit my head. And I don't even have like a huge head with my circumference. Like I get a regular 22-inch wig caps, wig heads, all that stuff is just 22 inches. And so when wigs don't fit me like all the way like this, it's small head friendly for sure, because I do average. So, like with my size over here, as you can see, it really doesn't cover me. And I noticed that with a lot of the units from like the HD synthetic units don't cover me a lot over here. I don't know what it is. I think it has more to do with them also making these units glueless. You know, they have the elastic band, so they're glueless as well. So they're a little bit more snug, you know, so because they want that to, like, you know, lay pretty easy. And it does lay pretty easy, but it causes me problems over here because all my edges is exposed. There ain't no other way for me to wear this but a middle part. The cap is snug. Okay, like super snug. Y'all saw me rip the lace. Like, I couldn't even yank it up to where I needed to yank it without ripping the lace. So that lets you know actually that the lace is bomb though, because it means it's nice and thin. The thinner the lace, the less noticeable the lace is. Definitely feeling this lace more than the Bobbi Boss HD lace units. Like, Outre been killing it. The Melted Hairline collection, this unit, like, they have been coming for next with the units they've been dropping lately as far as like blend game and quality of the hair. The feel of the hair is soft, but it's not overly soft and silky. So if you're the type of person you don't like a whole lot of like the silkiness, I don't typically mind like the silkiness in my units. Like, I like the Melted Hairline silkiness. That doesn't bother me. But if that bothers you, go back to this Perfect Hairline collection from them, because they did it with these and the hair looks like it's a great dupe. Like, it looks really real. The hair comes about, I would say 26 inches, because it's touching about waist length. Y'all can't even see that far down. And I am 5'7", but I got a short neck, so it's going to come a little long on me. So if you're about my height and my neck length, this is what it's going to look like on you. I love the density. I would say it's about 180% density because it's got a lot of layers and it still looks full. In order for you to do that, you have to start out with the wig being full. So I would definitely say it's about 180% density. I wouldn't go as far as to say 200%, maybe 200%, but definitely 180 if nothing else. Here is the side view, the other side view, and, ooh, that one's got stuck. Twirl around for the back view so y'all can see that. If you want to pick up Geneva the Diva, I will link her down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.